Hi, my name is Elizabeth Hick, and in the next few minutes I'm going to give a quick tutorial on the online study tool called Study Ladder. I have already opened to the website, which is www.studyladder.com. As you can see, Study Ladder promotes itself by saying that it's a web-based program built by teachers to help students of all abilities have fun while they're learning. Signing up for Study Ladder is easy. So what you would do is click Join Now, and I'm going to join as a teacher. You will fill out 1, 2, 3, 4 sections here and create an account. But since I've already created an account, I'm going to go back and I'm just going to log in. I'm going to enter my username. I'm going to sign in. And as you can see, there is a tab at the top, which is the Home tab. There's also a Help tab, and there's a Menu tab. The Home tab brings you to the home page. The Help tab is where you'll find frequently asked questions, and the Menu tab will direct you to different places on the website. So what I'd like to go into first is the resource page. On this page, a teacher can find a variety of resources in a variety of content areas: mathematics, English, science, financial literacy, health and safety, art, music, language, and also there are study sheets with themes. So if we go back up to the top, you can either search for resources by entering a keyword or any course, math, English, science. Another way you can search is by topic, by grade level, by material, and by category. So let's just show, for example, what you can find under topic. We'll take math, for example, and I'm going to go into the topic of angles. So under angles, there are a variety of tasks that can be set by the teacher so the students can go online and they can do one of these tasks that the teacher has directed them to do. So if we do a search for balancing equations, okay, that's not good. So let's go into one of these tasks, and we're going to go into compare angle sizes in everyday situations. We're going to click on this task, and there will be 10 questions to answer for the student. Let's begin. So this particular question asks the student, the picture shows the front of a barn. Which has the largest angle? And the student will just click on the answer, press next to see if they have it correct or incorrect, and it will bring them to the next question. So that's an example of a task that's offered on Study Ladder. I'm going to go back to the main menu again. We can pick grade level. So you can pick any grade level here, and you can browse through what's offered under number and place value or any other number drill printables, fractions and decimals. So as you can see, there's a variety of tasks that the teacher can assign to the students. There's also tutorials, and there are interactive activities that you can use on the whiteboard. When I go back to the research page, there's also a tab called Curriculum Aligned, and this will give the teacher, according to the grade level, the Common Core State Standards, the learning outcomes, and the resources offered under each and every one of those Common Core standards. I'll go back to the research page again. Here's a list of new resources that's on Study Ladder. So you can choose from a variety of new resources. And lastly, the start of the term or the start of the year. So here are some back-to-school resources that teachers can use and share with other teachers, printable activities to start off the year. I'm going to go back to the menu page, and you can see that in addition to resources, here are a list of categories related to your school. Here's where a teacher would manage their class, view their students, add a class, etc., assign tasks. There's also the results, so student results can be seen in any one of these tabs. And then lastly, this is the account and all the settings that are required for your account. As you can see, StudyLadder.com offers free 24-hour access for teachers, free unlimited student access from school, free limited student access from home, printable and online resources. You can also get your student results, and it also offers new individual task allocations. And this concludes my tutorial for the online learning website called StudyLadder.